How to set the hand crimper. 15mm collet, 15mm pump. As you can see, it just clears the cap. Put the collet in, retain it with the bezel. Now we need to set it so that it just crimps the edge of the cap just there. At the moment it needs screwing back out, so we screw that out until the cap drops further in. It's just got to catch the edge of it, so we've got to come back a bit, and then we can just lock the lock-in ring to keep it in position, and then we'll test it. As you can see, it's just crimped the edge. Now it just may need releasing slightly or screwing in slightly to create a tighter crimp. If you screw it in, you get a tighter crimp, but you can't go in too far because it will start squeezing it onto the head, onto the side of the head, and that's not what you want. You want it to go underneath. As you can see, we'll screw it in a bit more and it will increase the crimp and reduce the amount across there. You just got to imagine there's a glass vial in there until you actually get the bottle and then start crimping it on.